Okay, so today we have to do a question in which we will calculate the square of a number. But this time we will be using a few different things. Like suppose I'll be joining the message this time. For example, like if I wanted to say the square of the number is, and then I wanted to print the square. So I'll be joining two, three messages together to display the answer. Okay, for that, I'm going to delete this sprite and I'll take a background. You can take any background. Okay, this time I'll take this background. And because I'm making a conversation between two friends, so I will take two girls this time. We can go to the costume and we can change to a girl. Now I wanted to reduce the size of this girl also. So I'll make it 80. And I wanted to rotate it towards the other one. So I'll place here. I wanted to increase the change the color of the clothes also because it is matching with the background. Okay, now I want to go to the next sprite and I wanted to increase the size of the sprite. Okay, now let us start the conversation between two. So for that, I'll go to the coding part and let us change the name of these two sprites. So I'll give the name to this girl as Ria, and this sprite as Dhruvi. So these two girls are conversation doing conversation with each other. Okay. Now first Ria will ask Dhruvi to enter a number for which she wants to calculate the square. So we will do the coding in Ria first. So we'll go to the events and drag. First, I'll choose when R is pressed. R is for Ria and D is for Dhruvi. We will take like this. So when R is pressed, what Ria will do? She first we need to declare variables. So make a variable. This time we have to declare two variables. Mm, so first variable I am taking as num because we have to take numbers for all the sprites. Okay. Now second variable I'm declaring as square for all the variables. Okay, now place it wherever you want to place. So I wanted to place these variables here, means these boxes here. Okay. Now we have declared the variable. Now we will set the values to it. But before setting the value, first Ria is asking a question from Dhruvi. So we will go to looks and she will say something. So she'll say, "Hi Dhruvi, can you think of a number?" Can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? So this is a question, so we will put a question mark. Now we have to set the value of num as the answer. So we will go to the sensing block and we'll choose this. Okay, because there are two things in this message, say and ask. So we will use this one, this block also. So first she will say only hi Dhruvi. Then she will say in ask block, we will say, can you think of a number to calculate square of it? Okay. Now after the message, she will set the value. We have to set the value of whatever the answer she will enter. We have to set it in num. Okay. Now this is done by Ria. Now Dhruvi will solve it. So we will go to Dhruvi now and we will keep on dragging the blocks. Now first go to events when D is for Dhruvi. So we will write when D will be pressed, when D key is pressed, she will solve the question. So first she will go to, first she will go to set. So set is under the variables. And then square. Square will be number into number. So we have to use a operator for this of multiplication and we will drag number here twice because the square of a number is number into number two times. And drag it inside this. So after calculation, she will also reply. So we will go to looks and she will say, yes, Ria, yes, Ria, the square of the number is and after that now this time because we have to join something, what we have to do, she has to reply, yes, Ria, the square of the number is whatever the answer it is. So instead of writing this message directly, you will go to operators first and use this join two strings. Basically, it is used to join two strings. So I will half of the message I can write here and half of the message I can write here, and we can join them. So I will copy it, the message which I have written, and we will paste it here. And here we will drag the answer, variable square. Yes, Ria, the square of the number is, then the square will come. And we have to put it in this. Now keep it here and wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so you can also write like you can also first drag this. First she will say yes if the number is, if the number is go to join again, go to variables, if the number is, if the number is num, then the square of the number will be this. Okay, so she will say these two sentences. Now let us check first how it works. So first, the name of this girl is Ria. So first, Ria will say something. So we have to press R. Hi, Dhruvi, can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? So Dhruvi will enter a number now. Suppose 5. She's entering. Now we have to press on D. Yes, if the number is 5, then the square of number will be 25. Now both the are coming, but now Ria finally has to say something to Dhruvi. So again, we will go to events and drag when this sprite is clicked, at that time she will say something and she'll say, yes, you are right. Yes, you are right, Dhruvi. Let us try the whole program now. So first, Ria, hi Dhruvi, can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? So I'm entering 12. Now Dhruvi's turn is there. Yes, the number, if the number is 12, then the square of the number will be 144. And now she has to say something, so you have to click here. Yes, you are right, Dhruvi. You can also do the audio recording of this conversation and you can use it here. Now, for example, I'm going to the sound and you can drag it and do the recording. First, read the sentence before doing the recording. Read the sentence, what she's saying, because you will be doing the recording of the same. So the sentence is, hi Dhruvi, can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? So this message has to be recorded. Hi Dhruvi, can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? Let us check. Hi Dhruvi, can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? Okay, now we will be using this recording 1. And here again, for the second message, again we will do a different recording. Yes, you are right, Dhruvi. Let us check. Yes, you are right, Dhruvi. Yes, you are right. Now use it here, recording 2. Now go to Dhruvi and again do the recording. If the number is this, then the square of the number will be, because we don't know the number, so because whatever the number, every time it will change according to the user, so we cannot record any number here. If the number is this, then the square of the number will be, okay, so we can record only like this and select here recording 1. Now let us check. First Ria. Hi Dhruvi, can you think of a number to calculate the square of it? Then Dhruvi. If the number is this, then the square of the number will be, and then Ria again. So you have to click on the sprite. Yes, you are right, Dhruvi. So like this, you can make a conversation between two girls or anyone, and you can join the messages using the join string. Using this join operator, you can join two different messages. Like here, I have written in half area, I have written yes, the number is, and then the number is coming automatically because we have dragged the variable num here. So you have to, if you want to change the seconds also for which the messages are coming according to the voice recording, then you can do it according to your convenience.